half a bag. I prepared the bacon first. Now look. That looks so delicious, Dad.
Some flavoring. Bacon.
Yeah. It's bread, spinach, and a fried egg. Enjoy. And if I ever have breakfast at your house, please remember that I like my toast slightly burnt. Thank you. I feel kind of anxious. I don't know what's happening, but I need to get ready. I already have my outfit in mind. Like, I know exactly what I want to wear. The weather is great today. It's literally going to be highest 25 degrees Celsius, so that's perfect. Y'all remember these don't really get stretch. Thinking of rocking that with like a, I'm thinking the blue shirt and a white tank top, chunky Converse. Because the indoors here, they tend to make them super cold, and I'm not about that life. This is the looksies. Guys, I'm even breathing heavy. That's how anxious I am. Okay, let's go get ready. I feel like this skirt is a bit too short, especially when I like do this. So I decided to wear these gym shorts inside. Because you're not about to flash people, child. Okay. So you see what I was saying about the back being super short. The front is long, it's nice. Why couldn't they do this here? Or maybe it's just my curves. Because body's tea, the British are coming, baby. Child. I got this Ordigger's cap from Sept when we went to Colorado. I think today's a great day for it. Because today, the Huskers are playing Colorado. Purr. Okay, baby, but the outfit is giving everything it's meant to give. Because what? It's baby sling. Purr, baby. Also, anyone that cooks you, they're a keeper, honestly. Literally one of my favorite dishes. I'm obsessed. I really love the sun because what? Look at that glow. Her baby. Oh, okay. I mean, I seriously get it when they say go outside and touch grass. Go outside and feel the sun on your skin. I get it. Honestly, I truly do.
Is it the same? The far is the same?
I think the broth is the same.
Ah, okay. Yeah. If it's the same, then good.
I got round eye or eye round steak or something like that. Soft tenderloin. And what was it? I think tripe was also in here. So excited.
Tripe?
Yes. I think I'm gonna just put my noodles in here. Also got some chili oil, because vibes. I'm going to keep practicing how to use chopsticks till I know I'm a pro.
That's good, actually.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think you're doing well, in my opinion.
Thank you. Do you also want some chili oil?
Let me put this in here and taste how it tastes first.
Okay. I could use some more.
More chili oil?
I wanted to have a bit of a kick. And then she proceeds to put the whole dollop of oil. I'll just enjoy.
It is season 2 now. When did the season 2 come out? Or it's only just 4 episodes?
There's this show on Peacock called Fight Club or Fight Night. I can't remember. I want to watch that so bad. It's got all the good stars. All the black good stars that you can think of are in there.
Oh. Sounds like fun.
Yes. Oh yeah, that's filled to the brim. And I haven't even added the rest of the yams. I'm jealous. I also want a cute ball. When I say to guru, guys, this is what the tribans are cooking. Let's try these chopsticks. Okay. I think my problem is that I did it. Oh, it's the picking up food that's hard.
What's up, sports fans?
Got it.
I hope you're enjoying your time at ESPN Wide World of Sports. Get Hulu Plus Live TV to stream all your favorite NFL games this season. Start your free trial today.
A very laid back Saturday. We're gonna go grab some seafood. There's just so much noise. I'm so sorry about that. I cannot control it. So we're gonna go grab some seafood boil. My skin is just not skinning right now. I do not know what's happening. But anyway, let's go. I'm about to be big back, guys. Every weekend, seafood boil. Ow, ow, ow. Yo, copyright, Kisana. Anyway, I wanted to say I'm so sorry that this vlog has been so all over the place. But that's how my life has been lately. Like, life is moving so fast. I'm in a much better place because I'm much more healthy, so I'm grateful to God. Anyway, we're having a get-together at home today. Essentially, it was supposed to be like a small group, but now we decided that it's going to be like a graduation celebration. I'm so excited. As you saw earlier, Dad was cooking. Now they're sitting up. So, yeah. I'm going to get ready now. Oh, it's going great. Yeah. But I'm ready to graduate. I'm ready. Riwodowi. Done. And he's in on mixing chakura. Lovely. Chef Manga on the grill. Yes. It's good. I couldn't ignore it. What's wrong with you? Dinner served.